Look, see the things I was trying to record? There they are. And I feel, you see where they are? I feel cold. It's cold. Plasma beam. It's cold plasma on my hands. It's making it really, really hurt. It feels like cancer. In fact, it feels like cancer is on my hands. And you see the reflection of my hand? It's very interesting. And you see the reflection of my hand? It's very interesting. That feels like cold cancer, where those things are. It's giving me a feeling, and I'm sure it's done it to you too at some point. The Justice Department says Mr. Monsanto cannot live a comfortable life, and shorten it, please, because he is antithetic to our agenda. It's unbecoming of a superpower, if you ask me.